You are going to love the 2018 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.